you beautiful people, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the LC Racing ERB SC and a 3S battery. And apparently these two go very well together. But I don't know, I've actually not plugged this in, I do not think, with a 3S battery before. Now the 2S original battery only got between 53 and 55 kilometers an hour, and I honestly thought it would go faster than that. I've not done things like fix the rear toe or grease the diffs, I don't think. No, I'm pretty sure I haven't. Been lots happening lately. So anyway, I thought what we'll do, we'll plug the battery in on camera to firstly see if it blows up. Who knows, maybe it will. If it doesn't, we'll see what speeds we can get. So let's get on. Battery ready to plug in. Power switch is on. No big bang yet. But no power. Oh no! What? That's weird, right? Okay, well it seems to be working, so we'll get set up for the acceleration test. Just to let you know, I've actually disconnected the sound system because maybe that's affecting the speed. I don't think it is, but let's just quickly check. 3S battery is installed, 0 to 40 kilometers an hour. Start. Let's go. Did that get to 40? I don't even know if that got to 40. Did it get to 40? Please catch up. Thank you. 1.05. So 3S is definitely faster. Now, drag, start. Woo! Woo! I get it. None of that recording you. I know you're devious like that. Do you reckon it was faster or slower?
Faster.
Faster than 1.05 seconds?
Yeah. 1.04.
Ah, 1.15, Colin. Right, I am just going to have to reset the battery because it fell out, as you can tell. Cool. Right, back, drag, start. Seems to like pulling to the right, doesn't it? 1.15. Should we do that last one again? Because it wasn't exactly very accurate, was it? Go away. Well, I mean, it obviously could be accurate, I don't know. Go! Alright, we're just going to take that as correct. Read. 1.15. Okay, that's pretty conclusive, isn't it? So, now on to the speed runs. Start! We're going up that way. Okay, that's faster. Hello? 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 Really? I get it. This is bonkers! That's livened it up a lot, isn't it? 3S battery, my God. Stop. Read. 70, now's we is talking. I reckon we can go faster if I can keep it in a straight line. Right. Oh, so close! That gets 10 points. Did you see that landing? Did a back flip, front flip, side flip. It's 10 points, right? How many?
5.
5! Okay, let's try something. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's check the speed. It's not going to be faster than 70, but let's try just stiffening up the suspension a bit, see if that helps. Stop. Read. Okay, guess how much I know, doesn't it? Not going to be faster than 70, definitely not, and it is. Right, let's, I'll just quickly tighten up the suspension and see if I can keep it in a straight line. Do you want to drive this one, Colin? Cool. It's pretty hard to keep in a straight line, Colin. It is ready to go, so keep it in a straight line, please. Thank you. I have control. I don't care what you say, mine was more impressive than that. Don't go full throttle until you're in a straight line, Colin. See if that helps. I know I shouldn't be asking my 13-year-old son this, but are you drunk? Right, ready? Concentrate. That was nice. That was nice. Good job. You've broken the wheel, stop. Shall we look, Colin? No, you have not. The battery's fallen out again. Oh, okay. Right, well, my apologies, Colin. Let's see. Stop. Read. 71. This is just one final speed run to see if we can get faster than 72. That was good. Everything's falling apart. Have we just ripped the tyre? So yes, maybe you can go at 72, but you will ruin your tyres. Stop, read. 75. I've actually got a set of tyres at home that I want to test, so that's good for the next video. So, ladies and gents, what's the conclusion for this nutty car? Well, obviously putting a 3S battery in it is giving you 20 kph, which is great speed for very little money. You risk doing this to your tyres, but I don't know whether that could have just been a tear at some point or what, but you'd have thought that they'd last longer than that being LC Racing, wouldn't you? The rest of the tyres seem absolutely fine, but as you can see, bits have been falling in and out of it the whole day, so perhaps something's just sliced that. I was a bit disappointed with 55 on the 2S. I'm very happy with 75 on the 3S, I've got to be honest with you. So if you don't have this car, definitely worthwhile looking at it. It's hard to talk about reliability because I haven't owned it long enough to mention anything about it, but I don't see any problems with it. From what I've been seeing and reading, LC Racing have really got their finger on the pulse when it comes to quality, just not with their tyres, obviously. So thank you so much for watching. I'd like you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.